it's Jane here. Welcome to A Blessing channel. Today I'm sharing a quick tip for all you DIY florists and brides out there. If you love the fresh, soothing fragrance of Baby Blue Eucalyptus, I've got the perfect place for you to go. Costco. Costco offers a bundle of 100 stamps for just $79.99 Canadian. And the best part? They are all prepped and clean. Nice and tidy. When you unbox it, all you really need to do is to trim the stamps. And I have to introduce you this Japanese flower shears called Sakagen. It is sharp and durable, and for mine here, I have been using this one for over 10 years and they still work super good. You just need to give half an inch cut at the bottom of the stamps and it will be good. So unsleeve them. And you see, and just need to fluff them up a bit because since they are packed tightly to save the space for transportation, so just run your hands gently up or down the stems depending on how they are sleeved. Yes, easy peasy. And after just a bit of handling, your hands will have that amazing eucalyptus fragrance. And I can tell you, it's very irresistible. Just run your hands up and down, fluff them up a bit, and that's it. Tuck them into the water, just maybe 2 inches tall water will be enough. So once they are fluffed up, you can use them in any arrangement or simply tuck a few branches around your space to add that lovely greenery. But just make sure to add a little water to the stems and change it every couple of days, and that's it. Okay, let's prep another pack. Save the rubber band, the elastic, and sleeve the whole thing. Just separate each stem, fluff them up a bit, moving your hand up and down. So this is all you need to do. Is really just rub your hands to make it look nice, clean, and you know what? While you are rubbing along the stems, and the fragrance all goes into your hand. And it smells so good. Nice and clean. See? Super good. I just love that. And for all these plastic sleeves, I usually save them because when you transport it from one place to another place, you probably still need that. Or I know London dress will take time to recycle. See, in under 15 minutes, all your 100 stamps eucalyptus are ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more floral tips and inspiration. Happy arranging!